Hello time travelers. I got some stuff from ChocZero, the home of keto-friendly chocolates, syrups, and recipes, and some other goodness. So this video is about one of my favorite brands of sugar-free, keto-friendly sweets. This video is also a PSA to anybody that's on a diet or just trying to cut back on sugar or whatever. So you might want to click the links in the descriptables if you want to check out the pricing and ingredients and some of the stuff they have. This is my look of disapproval. I wanted to start this video out on their keto-friendly jam or preserves, whatever, because other me keeps eating up all the peanut butter. Look, like this jar is almost all gone. What? What was that? What are you talking about? I said you keep eating all the Kroger all-natural peanut butter. Yes, huh? Look, I washed out the last jar you ate the other day and stuck it in the pile of stuff to take out for recycle. So? And you clearly have peanut butter in your mouth. No, I don't. Yes, huh? And you almost ate all of this one before we could even try it with any of the peanut butter jelly sandwich thing that I just made. Just come sit down so you can eat it. Oh my God, I haven't had a PB&J sandwich since 2017, since I started the keto diet. Since you are always the voice in my head urging me to try to eat things, go ahead, try it. Oh my God, it's so good. It tastes like a regular peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Good, it's supposed to. I mean, what were you expecting? Like, I haven't tasted this in how many years has it been since 2017? It's so freaking low. So good. Now, I've made some keto cream cheese pancakes so that I can try the ChocZero maple syrup. I like to pour this stuff straight in my mouth. Why are you gross?
Why are you gross?
No. Put it on the pancakes I made. The plate's right there. But I already know that. We like this stuff. You buy it all the time. Just try it and tell everybody what it's like. It's the best keto syrup ever because it's nice and thick. That's with 3 C's. Eat it. It's good. It's so good. I don't know what to think about this. It looks like he's enjoying it on a spiritual level. ChocZero just started making this fake honey, which honestly, I've been waiting years for somebody to start making this stuff. Now, it's a tiny bit expensive, about twice as much as a regular thing of honey, but in my opinion, it's twice as good for you because of the ingredients and the low glycemic load. So we're gonna find out what I think of this, not honey, but honey flavored stuff. No, I wanna try it. Oh, you're here. Same difference. Here, you can have it. I want to try it the same way I tried it. Pancake syrup. No, don't. Tastes like honey. Interesting. Well, try the tea I made with that stuff in it. Oh, okay. It tastes like peach tea with honey in it. Good! That's what kind of tea I made. Achievement unlocked! What? Huh? Achievement thingy. Well, I knew it was good with a little bit of this stevia because I had some decaf coffee with this honey substitute with stevia earlier today. Other me? It's just basically monk fruit so it won't spoil your diet. Oh, right. All right. Part 4. You know what my favorite way to eat ChocZero syrup is? Yes, I know. Like this. It tastes like caramel. Stop being gross and pour the chocolate syrup on the ice cream. But I like caramel in my mouth. Well, I got you the salted caramel Rebel ice cream from Kroger. You said you liked it, so please just put the chocolate kind on it. Like this. Hey, it's too thick. Put it on the keto ice cream. Keto ice cream? Dun dun dun. Yeah, I've tried a few keto ice creams, and my favorite brand is Rebel ice cream. Jinx! Try the chocolate syrup on the ice cream. You have to squeeze really hard. That stuff is thick. With 3 C's. What? Eat it! And? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Well, there you go. He likes it so much that he ascended. So, satisfy that other you voice in your head and check out ChocZero. But I also got the not sugar cookie keto bark stuff before Christmas.
It's called not sugar cookie.
Yeah, it's literally called not sugar cookie. What did you think of it?
It wasn't a sugar cookie. That's for starters. And second, it tasted like white chocolate. The chunks were actually pretty good.
Cool. Tell everybody what you think about the syrup, because you were putting it on your ice cream last night.
Which one?
Whatever. Whichever one you used. Because I remember you were using chocolate and the honey, weren't you?
The honey was really good. It was really close, but it wasn't quite honey colored, interestingly. But that's not really right. That's just interesting fact. And also, the chocolate stuff, very thick, but pretty good. Tastes like, I don't know, cake mixture.
Yeah, like when he first said that, I thought it would be really good on a multi-layer cake where it was holding the top to the bottom together. But you'd have to use probably almost a whole bottle on a cake.
God, that would be a thick cake with 4 C's.
By the way, thank you for helping me write the script. All that 3C stuff and a bunch of the other stuff he wrote into the script.
You have hot sauce in your beard.
Well, you got hot sauce on your cheek because we had wings earlier and broccoli. All right, and now enjoy this random thing. I found this on redbubble.com and it's the Ghost of Disapproval Spiral Notebook. And he's like, boo.
Boo, you suck.
And now, dad joke time. My dad's texted me and he says, do you know the name of the country that gives free bread to its citizens? And I said, no, I don't. And he says,
a generous donation.
And I said, now that's a dad joke. Did you come up with that? And he said, no. Is there anything else in the script? Here's a tip to anyone that wants to start any diet. Quit bread and bread products. You don't need bread.
Bread.
It will reduce your overall glycemic index, carbs, and get rid of most of the high fructose corn syrup that you're consuming, and gluten, all at once. And gluten went to crap recently, lol. He wrote that in the script because it's true, because in the 70s was when Monsanto started crossbreeding their seeds and making wheat. And the wheat we have today is not the same wheat that we were eating 100 years ago.
65.
Yeah, well, I say 100 years, whatever. There I am being awkward. It's time for the end screen, and I have no plan for the end screen because I like it to be awkward on purpose. So what video should we tell people about?
Christmas.
My Christmas video? That's right there, because Christmas just happened for us, and then whatever YouTube thinks is best.
It was 3 days ago.
And yeah, well, the video isn't going to come out right now. It takes time to edit things. And subscribe to the channel over here. All right.
And subscribe to the music channel over there.
Bye. Say bye.
No. Bye.